beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm. I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. up again. Mm, 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 mm.
Yeah. Yo. Woo. Yeah. Let's go.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Power Hour special with your boy Maestro Javi and our special guest Priscilla, covering in for our boy Logan. So what's up, Priscilla? How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you? How was your morning?
It was actually decent. The morning was decent, and then took a little break. We actually went to go do some shopping at Sam's Club, and then came back and picked up our daughter. And our day just disappears like this, blink of an eye, literally. Like just
I only go to
insane. Like
Sam
an hour
Club for
trading.
the. I only go to Sam Club for the, where I can eat at every corner.
We got to buy snacks for the kids, man. To teach it, look, like Priscilla's here, so we can have some parent conversation because Logan, right, doesn't want to have kids yet. But man, I'm learning. I'm sorry, like Florida is nice and all, but dude, the schools here, you have to pay for literally everything, like everything. Like there is, like you have to pay for the locker rental. Like my son had to pay $5. It's $5, but still, right? They force you to donate donations. Right? Like I'm like, what is up with this? And then like everything. And our youngest daughter's in pre-K, right? When we signed her up for pre-K, immediately they were like, yeah, you have to pay. And we're like, what? We have to pay for pre-K? Yeah, well, you have to pay, right? And then we end up calling the county thing or whatever who was in charge of it. They're like, no, the first 2 hours are free. Like no one ever told us the first 2 hours were free. And anything above 2 hours, then you pay. They never even bothered to explain that shit to us. So we're like paying $100 a week for our youngest.
But are
to
you
go to pre-K?
doing pre-kinder at a daycare or an actual school?
No, she's at a school. She's at an elementary school.
Okay, well that's crazy. I never heard of that because when they're at school, they're with the rest of them. Nobody's supposed to pay at a public school. Is it public or private?
We're paid. It's public. It's public. It's pre-K.
They saw you
on
YouTube. They saw you on YouTube and they said he can afford this. Let's charge him and his kid to do the pre-K.
Wife's saying it's $350 a month. I'm honestly like I know that there's no state tax here, but they're finding a way to take it. Like they're finding a way for the schools or other things to kind of disperse it. So I'm kind of learning a few things here and there. Yeah.
Just wait until it's prom and homecoming. Everything that used to be cheap is no longer cheap.
It's $700 a month.
You have to pay for everything.
My wife's saying $700 a month. No way, for real?
No, that's crazy. Find another school.
No, that doesn't seem right.
It's
she was supposed to go to the same school as my daughter, like the 1 year. Then they transferred her to some other school.
No, that's crazy. I never paid for my kids to go to pre-kinder. Like they just got dropped off and went with the rest of them. Everything is expensive here. I was gonna ask you how you guys are loving Florida.
Okay, so we did abuse going to Universal and Disney, like literally like every other weekend. We went to Disney 3 times. We went to Universal. So we're definitely taking abuse of that. But like the public school charging for everything, we're kind of like, what is going on? Did not expect any of it. Just shockingly surprised. Even my son's like, I can't believe they're making me do this and this. And I'm like, dude, you're 12. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. But even he's saying things like, this is not how it's supposed to be, and blah blah blah. It's freaking hilarious. But
No,
it is
even
what
when
it
they
is,
send
right?
a school list, even if they send a school list, I don't buy the kids shit. You're getting 30 kids with the same school list. I'm buying, that means we literally purchased all your teacher supplies. I'm not buying nothing. I'm sending that kid with a notebook and a pencil and a pen, and if they need a special calculator. I ain't buying nothing for your class. That's your responsibility. You became a teacher. I'm not buying none of that.
Yeah.
No, the school is supposed to provide that. Like I used to pay, I think I paid like $15 for homecoming. My son's homecoming ticket and prom ticket was like more than $85. It was ridiculous.
And Sam G's right. Being a teacher is rough nowadays. Like most of the kids nowadays are overprivileged, very stuck up, very
Entitled,
entitled.
spoiled.
Yeah, they don't listen. Like it's crazy to be a teacher now, and they don't get paid shit. Like they
Remember when the
make
teachers used
no
to beat your
money.
ass? The teachers used to be able to beat
Yeah,
your ass.
dude, you used to beat us
Now,
with the ruler. Like we used to get
now
hit with the ruler in the hand.
I used to be
You do that
afraid
no
of
more,
my
right?
teacher, but these kids are not afraid of nobody. What happened to
No.
the show where you used to send those kids to jail so all the inmates can scare
Oh
them? That's what
yeah.
these kids.
What was that show called? Oh my gosh. Yeah, when they were going, all the prisoners
Oh,
would just yell at
scared
them.
straight.
They would just
Yep,
yell. Yeah, scared straight. That's what it's called.
yep.
Yeah, I don't think it's a
I
show,
have a lot
honestly.
of I've seen a lot of kids that need to do that. They need to
I,
just take them. Just take them all. Just take the whole school.
I think half of them. I think half of them are definitely. I mean, this short is shorting right now, guys. I mean, this sauce box rejection over here right when we came in. We're just breaking, and we need to really start holding underneath 83. Next would be below 70. Below 70, we have some room down to about 55, 56.
Oh, we've been
So yeah,
shorting since freaking
yeah.
Asia, huh?
Oh yeah, no, the downtrend has been just beautiful. I mean, we've been downtrending all night. The opening short was beautiful. I mean, it was just you could see the 5 minute downtrend has been just beautiful. Well, right now, right, we got power hour chop. We're kind of trapped in between potential trends right now. So this is where it kind of gets a little rough. But it's been like Saucebox today was awesome. Like had some beautiful Saucebox plays.
I'm not
Called out
gonna
a
lie.
very nice. Yeah.
I got up for London. I was hanging out with Luca and Yucky and all them, and it was beautiful. It was honestly, it was
Yeah.
great. And I like to hear Luca talk.
Yeah, you know what? I think we all do.
Yeah.
Fukia, what the fuka? Oh, what is this, guys? What is? Do you listen to the morning show? Max actually found an accent he struggled with. He
Yeah,
sounded,
that's why I said,
he
I don't know,
sounded like
don't
the
ask me
Swedish
to dress up
meatball
like
guy.
Luca yet. I don't think I
He
could
sounded
dress
like
up
the
as
Swedish.
Luca.
And Marvin the Martian. He sounded like Marvin the Martian in the Swedish meatball guy, like burger burger. And I'm like, like it's funny because like my go-to with that accent is immediately I think about, hello, welcome to Microsoft. We'd like to help you with your computer today. Like that's my immediate go-to with that accent is straight up. Like I think about when they call me and they're hello, this is Amazon. We'd like to support you with you need to buy some gift cards. Right, that's immediately. That's like that's probably the only accent I can kind of kick in like that. Right,
I automatically think, you know,
but
Mario
dude, it's
Kart.
crazy that it's crazy. So Priscilla, you've been on social media for a while, right? Like you're not like super brand new to this, but I'm sure
No.
like you've experienced some. No, you haven't. Like you're kind of still new to this a little bit because I
Oh,
thought
no, no.
you
I've been
kind
on
of
social media a while, but like
yeah.
my following changed. So like I
Ah,
used to do like the ink modeling and all the like other stuff that like all the women were like on. So I had like huge following, like more than 100K followers. And then when I started changing my content to trading content from like modeling and stuff, my following dropped so bad. So I had to like rebuild it. But recently, yeah, I've learned the trend. I'm a big kid actually, because you
dude,
know, all the TikTok dances and shit.
Max is at the point where the fact that he's getting basically blackmailed by these guys that can ruin your Instagram and shit like that. Like I haven't gotten there yet. I've gotten like these messages of okay, oh brother, help me on this and that. But every once in a while,
Yeah.
I'll get one where they try to like, okay, if you don't do this, you will come after your family and shit like that, which are the ones that piss me
Ooh,
off the most. Yeah, those piss me off the most. Which is why we got ourselves protection and shit. Because I don't take any of that lightly.
No,
Um,
no, 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 no. When it
but
comes to your
but like
family,
is
everybody can do it.
yeah, exactly. So is that something that you've had like history with? Have you experienced that before, or you kind of like
I have put every type of protection on my social medias, from like every email, every phone number, anything that they can, like anything that you can protect your social media with, I have used. Like the authenticators, I don't know how to say it correctly, all that
yeah,
stuff. Like I get a
authenticator?
text message, and that's everything, not just only social media, like everything, like your bank accounts, like all your stuff should definitely have it where you have to verify yourself.
Yeah,
I do recently, like if my following is pushing very hard, like they have like some type of intel where they can see like who's like going crazy like on their social media. So like I've had a lot of scam pages created of me. I do get those please help me like messages. Thankfully everything are like in request, so
yeah.
they can't really see that you looked at it. But like threatening messages and stuff, no. And the fact that they can control
I'm gonna
that.
test the short here on this pull up, guys. I'm gonna test the short here on this pull up. I'm looking for it to stay below 86. So I want to see if we get this hold below 70 and we get that continuation down. So this little pull up. I want it to stay below 86. If it blows through 86, I'm in it very light, just because we are in between trends on the 5. But I'd love to see this stay below 70. But if it takes me out up here, I'm looking at the challenge of this level up here, 86. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, yeah, just wanted to. Sorry, Priscilla. Go ahead.
No, you're good. We're trading. I
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
there on the morning show to hear what happened to Max's social media. I was sleeping because I was in London. But I did hear that there was something going on, and I was literally like, somebody got to work for Meta. It got to be like, platforms hire other people in other countries to handle all their stuff because it's cheaper than hiring in the States. So they hire outside of the States because they pay like $2 like an hour to a person who doesn't even live here. So for me, I'm like, well, it got to be your own platform, even though there's scammers and there's you know people who are really good with technology. But for me, for you to be able to disable my stuff like that and easily, like as soon as you say it disappears, then for me, you're on the inside of it. But
Yeah. Yeah.
that's me with my conspiracies. I don't know.
I agree with you there. So that
You
delay,
know.
that little delay when I was kind of trying to call out, I got a decent entry up there at 78. So I did get an entry at 78 on that pull up. Already kind of took some off on that pull down. I didn't take anything off, actually, not yet. It didn't hit it. I took a look at my DOM. It did not hit my first 668.75. But let's see. Let's see if we can hold underneath this 86. That's where I'm in
Bobby,
right
how long
now.
have you been doing Power Hour?
Oh man, I don't even know. I do not even know, dude. I don't keep count. I'm like, I know we're over 200, but I don't even keep count. I don't even know how many
No,
MOCs I've called out. I keep saying like
no, no. How
180,
long have
180,
you been
170.
doing Power Hour? Like, how long have you been
Oh,
doing the show?
yeah, almost 2 years now. Can't believe it's almost 2 years. Insane to say almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, we've been here a while.
Okay. And
We've
you
been
like
here
it?
a
You
while.
enjoy it? You have fun here, right? It's
Oh,
like your
yeah.
extended family.
Heck yeah. Dude, I get to trade. Like I get to like trade without getting it yelled at.
Have you
This is
gotten
my peace time. No, I don't
have
get
you
yelled at. I'm just
gotten
there for the
recognized yet? Have you gotten recognized where you live yet?
only a couple times. Only a couple times. Once when we were flying out to Motloo, somebody was actually flying out from Maryland to Florida. They recognized me. And one time when we came down here actually to look for our home, one of the actually somebody had a health emergency on our flight, and one of what do you call those guys that come in like the ambulance guys? What are they called again? The EMTs,
Paramedics?
right? EMTs, the paramedics, EMT, there, your EMTs. One of the EMTs recognized me. He was like, "Yo, Maestro." I was like, "What?" I was like, "Oh shit!" Like, I'm not used to it. Like, I'm like, "Oh, when someone calls me, I'm
Like,
like,
bro, somebody's dying on the plane, bro. Like, we'll talk later.
no, no." He was fine. He was already kind of fine. There was actually a couple doctors on the plane too, So I think he had a pacemaker or
Okay,
something.
yeah,
But he
pacemaker.
was like completely out for like 20 minutes. It was kind of scary
That
to
is
see that.
scary.
But
Yeah,
yeah, he came
that
out of
is
it
that
and
is
was
pretty
good.
tough. At least he got a machine that helps him. Not a lot of us do, but that saves your life sometimes. No,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
cool though. It's cool. I was wondering. I was thinking about that before the show. I was like, I wonder how long Javi's been doing that.
Yes,
You
there
know,
it
because
is. There's the drop. Yeah, baby.
uh,
Go, 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 go.
who's in this short with
Going.
Javi? Who's
Keep
eating?
going. Oh, don't pull up. This is where it's gonna start getting a little fidgety the closer it gets to that 56, but I want to really get it as close down there as possible. I need to see this stay underneath 70 though. That 5 minute pulled up last second. We got a level at 77 now, so it needs to respect that 77. I got my last two runners at break even. So if they get taken out, they get taken out.
You know what? This
You just say
this community allows people to really be themselves. Cause some of the shit that y'all be saying is hilarious and like inappropriate.
yeah, yeah, we're definitely big time degenerates. We're definitely big time degenerates.
Uh, I wonder if it would be so nice for me to get the like first impressions. Like when people first join and everyone's doing their thing, they're probably like, what the hell? Is Logan hunting Indians? No, he is not on a 007 mission to find the social media serial killer. He is in Texas checking out the spot for the Blitz, you guys. If you follow him, which you should, if you
Come
follow
on, keep
Logan on
going.
social media, you'll
Yep.
see that he is doing his due diligence to make sure that we are
Hey,
all safe.
70. Come on, give us a push. I need this to really
So
start
he is on
holding
a
up to
mission.
70. Come on.
You've grown super to respect the hobby
Still be there.
mindset. Oh yeah, hobby's a beast. Who else is
I'm
okay
a, I'm a,
trading this action
I'm
than
a super
hobby?
degen. I'm a super
Freaking
degen.
go. Freaking
I just like
go.
to click
Hobby
buttons,
is the
guys.
man.
I'm that lizard from Hopper. Lizard. I can find an excuse to hit a button. I'm gonna hit that damn button. Oh, it's like,
How
oh, will
long?
the Earth probably explode? Let's find
How
out.
long did it how long did it take you to really like
No,
what's
I
the
want
word?
this
Like
to.
lock in with your style of trading?
It took a while. It took a while. Okay, my runners got trailed out right there, y'all. I still like this to hold underneath this 86 and 77, but I still want to see if it does. It's the Dom's reacting. Ooh, Dom's going a little nuts up here. So it did trail me out. It's gonna strat 6 me. I would love to see what it reacts like at 86, but this is a scary spot because we are technically in between trends. If this fails to stay underneath 70 and we start to break above 86, then the 5 minute might go for another push. But I'm watching to see what it does at 86. Still, there's another bit of a rejection there. So I want it to stay below 86. Still.
Only
Oh,
hobby.
God.
Who's using Javi's gravity indicator and such? I want to know how well you guys are doing, how obsessed you guys are, because I know quantum gang, you guys
Oh, yeah.
you live for this.
Takes time. No, I will say, like you were saying, how long did it take for me to develop this? Like to trade the way I trade, it was a while because first of all, I lost a lot, right? But like I lost so much that I sized down, and then I started really kind of. While everybody's complaining about the chop, right? I'm taking my time to identify it, and then I play with it. And then, well, I can see when a good clean chop forms. I went over it in the course too, quite a bit on how I look for chop, quantum chop, and other kinds of chop.
And
And
you're just
I just
able to
keep using it
stack it.
because, yeah, because it's if it doesn't break a side, right? There's a bunch of traders. Max says this. Max has been saying this for the longest time, right? If it can't go down, it must go up. If it can't go up, it must go down. So there's key areas when I can pinpoint where the rejection points are. That's what quantum helps me too with the levels, right? Where if it can just stay below this area, right? We keep coming off of it, keep going down, And same thing on the bottom, right? If I keep seeing where it bounces up, and I'm just gonna trade when it hits those areas and keep my stops tight. It's not rocket science. Um,
It
but it
it
takes a
sounds like
lot of
science. You're
pressure.
definitely, I just picture like you in a comic book, like, with the quantum, tape and everything, with the sauce box and like just riding the chop.
Look at
Like
that.
you should
Like
definitely be a superhero.
who re-entered on the short? I got Strat 6. I played my own Strat 6, right? And for anybody that, because a lot of people ask Strat 6, and I re-entered light this time, right? Everyone who asked about, look, I'm up $50 right now. That was 35. Now I'm up 50. Everybody who asks about Strat 6, it's like, what is it, right? It's Llama's birth child strat that whenever he got wicked out, the play would go the direction that he was in. And it's hilarious because 80% of the time it plays out. And I always test it on evals and shit. And I'm just like, this is cracked because it's so crazy how many times it actually plays out when Lama gets
Terrible.
Strat 6. Even if it's for like a quick move, like a quick 30, 40 point move like that. And I'm just like, and it's a joke strategy. A lot of people ask, is it real? What strategy is it? Which course is it in? I'm like, guys, it's a joke strategy born from Llama getting stop lost, and then you just enter the trade in the direction that he was trading in. That's Strat 6. It's a joke. It's not
Poor
serious,
llama.
but it is hilarious that it plays out so much. And it works for all of us. Like I get
Yeah.
Strat 6, Logan gets Strat 6, Max gets Strat 6 too. So it's freaking
Yep.
hilarious
Yep.
when it happens. It happens all the
Yep.
freaking time. But it's a joke. So everyone needs to understand, right? It's a joke strategy, right? Not financial advice, but it's funny that it works. Like it's funny that it actually plays out.
No,
Nine of
I've seen it. I've literally seen it work.
like my runners literally
Um,
got taken out and I re-entered. I was like,
were you
that's true.
able, I don't know if anyone told you that on Happy Hour we had a staff talent show the other night. Did you hear about that?
Oh no. For real? Dang, I missed all the good ones. I missed all the good ones. A
So
staff talent
we
show?
had a staff talent show. I was really hoping that one of the guys from the Discord would have came up and pretended to be me because I thought it would be like hilarious if a guy pretended to be me like I do the guys. But anyways, Dan pretended to be Javi. And
Oh yes. Okay. I didn't even watch it yet. I gotta go watch it. Dan.
when
Yeah.
I tell
You
you
can
he
easily
even
be
had
me.
your voice,
Really? No way.
and
Hey.
and then he pretended to be Llama. And Dan, I'm telling you, and then
Here
we had
with my
another
runners. My
girl
runners.
pretend to be Logan, and they were power hour together. Like they were literally feeding off of each other,
Do it
and
again.
it was crazy. It was great. And then someone pretended to be Max, and he was screaming and acting ridiculous in Walmart. Everybody can hear him and see him in
No
Walmart
way.
acting like Max. I couldn't believe it.
Okay, for now, guys, just keep shorting 86, 85. I just did it again for like this time was 13 points.
Hmm.
On that quick spike up. Look at that quick spike up, and I just went, oh, there it is again. Boom, boom, and just did
And
it
it just
again.
keeps rejecting.
And it
It is
keeps
a
rejecting
5 minute
until it breaks.
SVG there, is it
Here we
not?
go. Like that's 30 points already on this chop. There's 30 points right there in this chop. Just shorting 86,
Well, I
85.
tried to do Max. I did my best impression of Max, and it was good enough to get a free account. Everybody else in the talent show did better. I felt like, well, listen, the whole team did amazing. It was great. I was literally crying how like funny everybody did. It was great. It was great. If I would
Chris
have
is
knew
saying
more
up that Joe.
about today, there would have been two hobbies up here.
That's gonna be no.
Eventually,
No. We
eventually.
gotta save that. We gotta save that, Priscilla, because
I
I
don't think I
already
can
have
hear
my
you. Am I the
costume.
only one?
I got my costume. Yeah, I already got the idea of it. I just have to find like when I go into costumes, like I go in like everyone remembers when I did Logan the tattoos, the bowl. I even have the bowl. So like I go in, I have to find everything before I do it. If I don't find everything, then I go extra lengths to get it made. So,
Listen,
all right.
me and you have we've done our due justice to our team here.
Yeah, I'm
That
gonna be
was
careful on this third attempt here. I mean, it
mhm.
could go. I'm gonna just do it light because every time it hits it, to me it starts to get weaker. The pullbacks are getting smaller, so I'm gonna be cautious each time it approaches 86. but it did just hit it and reject again at 84. But the pullbacks are getting smaller and smaller, so I'm going to be cautious. Like if I do, I didn't take this one, but if I do take it, my stop's going to be super duper tight, like probably like five points, just to be cautious of a potential like just breakthrough. Just want to put that out there. Javi dressing.
Yeah, we could have dressed like each other today.
Yeah, we gotta plan that out for sure. I think it'll be freaking hilarious. Like my wife doesn't like my idea. I'll tell you that much. That's how you know it's gonna be a great idea. The fact that my wife is like, no, don't do that. I'm like, that's
Just the
immediate.
fact
It's
that
like,
she
yes.
says no. I'm telling
That's
you.
immediately was like that makes me want to do it 1,000 times more. Like
I gotta
say
figure out
no.
if I'm gonna dress like Lama as well. You know, when I do these things, it's just random. You know, it's just random. It's just like,
Yeah.
I was like, oh God, Logan, don't beat me up for being broken. But I did him justice. He was happy, so we're good. And the funny part is I don't tell anybody. So even when I showed up as Coachella, and Coach showed up late that day, so I got to start the show as him.
Tristan Moley thinks I'm flirting, bro.
Flirting.
Nah, trust me. I'm a married stud. Okay, I'm a married.
Me and
I said
Javi are
stud. I'm a
locked in.
married bud. What does
Me and
Mr.
Cloud are
Potato
locked
Head
in
say?
too.
All right.
I'm a married spud.
I'm married to a Latina, a spud. There you go. I'm a married spud. Okay. I'm married to a Latina. She has the capability of cutting my nuts off in my sleep. Right.
Yep.
There's that short again on the same area.
His
Right.
panic,
So
not Hispanic. His panic.
yeah, Hispanic,
Exactly.
Latina Hispanic. Right.
His panic.
I value my life. Okay. I do appreciate Priscilla coming in with a nice covered right shirt, so I don't have to do this to save
Yeah,
my ass,
no,
because everyone knows, right?
no.
I do this, right? Because I don't want to die. I want to live.
I respect the
Okay.
wifeys. Me and Cloud are like
Yeah.
this. Listen, I'm respectable, okay? Latina and Latina, all right?
That's
I
right.
understand. I'm a married spud. I'm a married spud. That's exactly how he
Mary
said
Spud.
it.
Yeah. Mary Spud. Mary Spud. Yeah, when they drove through the Barbie aisle.
Ah,
I love that part. I
the
love Toy Story. I
chakra
haven't
is
seen the fifth
active.
Toy Story. I need to watch the
Me
fifth
neither.
Toy Story.
Me neither.
All right, there was another
I-
10 points, guys. If anybody kept shorting that 85, 86 area, there's like you literally collected 40 points already. So we are done for Power Hour. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye. Peace out. Anyways,
Oh, that is cool. Javi, what are we gonna do with your background? We're gonna color and start
I don't know
doing some
yet.
things up there.
No. Doc is supposed to come by and assist a little bit. Oh yeah, baby, keep going. Come on. Offer some assistance. On what we might do. Probably redo this whole thing. I don't know. So and that's why it's still blank. That's why it's kind of a blank slate. He had a bit of a personal family thing, so he dealt with. He was going to be here a few weeks ago, but
Yeah.
like, hey, life happens. Life happens. So I'm like, don't
Yep.
worry. I'm the guy that I go with the flow, right? If
Yeah.
you can, great. If you can't, oh well, right? I go with the flow. Hey, if something's gonna happen, hey, let's go. If not, oh well. I'm straight up, very like I go with the flow. And what's that word?
You're
I'm looking for a
humble.
word like
You're
last
very
second.
humble. Yeah, you're very
Hey,
humble. Humility, all that. That's good like that. It's better like that. That way you don't,
yeah.
stress what you can't control.
I try to be, but I also try to like just protect shit too. Like I gotta protect my family,
Yes.
So
Yep.
that's why we stopped
Yep.
showing our kids. We stopped showing our kids because we were getting like you get some shit where people threaten your kids and stuff. You're like, what the fuck, man? People crazy. Like they try to take advantage. The minute you have some inkling of some sort of success, or you show it, like people like just turn into like just evil demons or some shit and want to take advantage of you. Okay, there's a short, guys. I got one runner in it. I've already scalped this a bunch of times. That
Yeah, rejected
85,
it like
86
4
area
times.
just kept rejecting it over and over again. And one runner running.
Yeah, there is
this,
weird. I mean, me and my daughter do
third or
videos.
fourth.
Me and my daughter have business together. We do videos, and if a mofo play with my kid, I will find you. Just let you know, I will find you. I will. I'll play with my kids. I don't even play with their daddy about my kids. Nobody. No one.
That's crazy.
Absolutely not. You find out who you really are as a person when you become a parent.
Yeah. You absolutely like Sean Nicole, right? Never showed mine and ain't famous. I post baby pics now. She's 16. Too many effing weirdos. Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly, Shaw. All right, this was actually a decent chop, guys. Like that 86 level was holding. If you guys kept shorting it, like again, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities. First couple were 10 points. Now this one dropped almost 20. Almost 20. So there's 50 points on just shorting the same area over and over and over again. This is how I do it, guys. Literally how I go from account to account. When I can spot these, they're fun as hell to play. Fun as hell to play. But I am
I
cautious
went to
because
the
again,
PA recently. I have been trading smaller. Like
yeah,
I feel like like it kind of forces you to just trade smaller and be stacking it. So the way you're trading just makes sense. Like I said, I did get up for London. London yesterday shocked me because it felt like the market that we've been trading before all the funny stuff. So it was
yeah.
it was really clean and calm. But we live in Florida. It was 3 a.m. So now I'm like, maybe I just won't go to sleep after a happy hour. So I did sleep for a little bit. Then I went to London. Then I went to the gym. Then I dropped off my kids to school, and I was so desperate. Like, get in the car. I'm tired. You told my 12-year-old, drive yourself. And then it was just like, all
Wait,
right.
he's 12. Well, is your school too far for him to ride a bike?
My daughter's
Make
the
him
one,
ride
the
a bike.
youngest one. My daughter's the youngest one. You're not letting no little girl go anywhere. And she's always like, I
Hell
can
no.
walk home.
Hell
I'm like,
no.
you ain't walking nowhere. You could barely walk to the
Yeah.
front. If my dog was trained to go meet her after school and walk her, it'd be great because he's bigger than me, But nah, I don't let her. So, and
This
then my
5 minute needs to lock under 570, and then we get a potential bigger push. But this 570 on the 5 is still holding. Like it is fighting it so bad right now.
who's in the short still? What's the ATR during London like? I did not check it, but I'm gonna tell you, like, you can go back and check yourself. It's like amazing. It was worth me losing sleep. Let's just say that.
That one time I did trade London with the with Jamie and Jaylee. It was pretty fun. It was pretty smooth. I was half asleep. I don't remember half of the shit I said. I remember like them posting a video up and I was like, wait, what did I say? What was that? My wife was making fun of me. Like I
You
don't
were
remember
sleep
half of what
trading.
happened. I was sleep
You were
trading.
sleep
Yeah, we called it.
trading.
We got some good trades. All right, come on, push.
There was a guy
20 points.
who Luca pulled up, and his background was lasagna. I thought Luca was gonna blow his shit.
It was lasagna.
His whole
Lasagna.
background was just a piece of lasagna, and I was just like, oh
Look at
shit.
meatballs. Wait a minute. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. No wonder it looks all funky to me.
The
Oh
5
shit,
minute
yeah,
is
the
like
585
beautiful
looks
still.
even better.
Yeah,
On
the
the
5 minute
5
is
minute?
still,
Oh man. Yeah.
it's still
Yeah, we need to
probably
lock
gonna
underneath this. Yep. This candle locks in good. We should see a push down to that 56. Should. Will we? I don't know. Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
How come 15 minute? I think he was just on there on accident, right?
I was taking a look at the 15-minute trend because the 15-minute is my favorite
Hey,
overall
Erica.
trend, but
You usually trade what? 2 minute, 5 minute?
1,
minute?
2, and 5. Yeah, 1, 2, and 5. So every once in a while, when the 5 minute looks extra choppy, I will gander at the 15. This 5 minute refuses to really stay underneath 70. Like it is just like nah. It's like nah.
It's just playing in that area. It's like,
Yep.
why is our volume so gaga lately? Like,
This is power. No, this is regular, Priscilla. This is regular back to school, power hour. I used to hate trading power hour. So when Max like offered me to trade power hour with Logan, I immediately said no. I hate power hour. He's like, what do you mean? It's so choppy. I would sit in my car waiting for my son between 2 and 3 o'clock, and I would just be blowing evals, like literally just going fuck this, fuck that, fuck this. It's like you get you done in the
Yeah.
car in the chop, and I'll be like, oh, right? And then Logan taught me about MOC. He had his little 330, 345 orb, which we actually stopped using. We don't really use that anymore. We
Mhm.
actually just use MOC. And then I started to see the patterns, and I'm like, oh, now I see. But between let's say between 230 and 330, it's just super choppy. And it's just like testing level after level. And then I'm waiting to see where it wants to sit for MOC. So there's moves here and there, little micro moves. When it's like it actually decent today. Yesterday was horrible. Monday, what's today? Tuesday, Friday,
This
and
is,
Thursday,
uh-huh.
like like horrible. Um,
It was
but
like that
today,
last night. Last night
yeah,
when we opened for happy hour, it was so bad. Thought I was gonna have a panic attack. Coach still traded it. He got into long that he held the whole show, and it didn't break until like it didn't really like do something until the end of the show. But he held it the whole time, and it did him
hey.
justice. But I was just like, it's not moving.
Yeah, yeah, and that would be me. I'd be like, you know what, fuck this. I'm going to sleep. Goodbye. I'm not gonna hold this trade all night. I'm like, just take me out of my misery, or just do something
Yeah,
already. Like yesterday, we had a couple of those where I'm just like waiting for this trade to go, and it wouldn't go, and it took me out of my misery. Then it went, and I'm like, oh god. But I'm very impatient. Like I let that be known. I cannot hold a trade for
but
too long without
you're
the
still the
anxiety
GOAT.
and shit.
You're still a GOAT because you're just in, out, and what goes from 30 goes to 100 so quick. So you're just able to stack it, and stack it.
Yeah.
Logan hasn't been taking too many trades during Power Hour, has he?
No, he actually didn't hasn't taken a trade for what, like 7 days, 8 days? I don't even know. 5 days in a row.
5 days in a row.
Yeah, 5 days in a row. But he has a specific rule with the ATR, which I think is awesome, right? I think it's
No, yeah,
awesome that you
no, it
guys get to
shows
see that.
discipline. He's
The
showing
discipline.
discipline.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like if it's not there for him, right? I'm the super degen, so if obviously I'm gonna see a setup, I'm gonna click the damn button. So that's
Hmm.
where I benefit, right? We're coming in, we're gonna take whether you lose or win, right? I'm gonna see setups. We're gonna take some, we're gonna lose some. It's a part of it. I lost two MOCs. I haven't lost MOCs in a while. I lost two MOCs last week. Two MOCs back to
Yeah.
back, and I'm like, okay. And then we hit a banger on Friday, and it's like, okay, I'm just doing the same thing, but yeah, it's like, sometimes, oh, here we go again to test test 86 again potentially. It's just it's
And
great.
you've been
Honestly,
trading
I
longer
I
than
I,
me,
I
right?
like that everyone sees it. Yeah, yeah. I've been trading.
You,
Wow, man. Futures 2+ years now. Options 2019, so 6 years now.
so in
Regular
your
stocks.
experience,
Yeah,
would you say that like July, August, September, like, is this normal every year around this time?
yeah. Like from what I remember, August and September, those first couple months when I would go pick up my son for power hour. This is it. Like this is it.
Okay.
Super
So this
chop,
is
and
normal.
then a potential move, or it just barely moves and just stays in like a little vicinity. But this is what August and September is like. I don't think we have anything major. I know we have FOMC minutes tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna do anything unless he says something wild, maybe about a rate hike, because
Hmm.
we are still in slight inflation. So maybe that might move it, but I don't think we're gonna get much movement. I think the next big news day is mid-September,
I mean, even
somewhere
last
around there.
week, I think it was like last week or the week before, we had major news, which, made moves, but usually even like major news would help the market to at least do a little better for the
Ooh.
rest of the week.
Okay, be careful here, y'all. Trying to short 86 again because the 5 minute is giving the 2 and the 5 are lining up. Just be careful. All I'm gonna say is right now, because if that 86 does break, then we could get a push up to. I mean, it's not even gonna move much, honestly. 600, above 600. Then we got sauce box again where we rejected earlier at 613, 612. So this is where I'd be cautious here because this is giving a potential push. Blue plus a cross here, so we're gonna have a level here at 573. right? Not a trifecta, but the 2 and the 5 are lining up for a push. So this is where I'm not even shorting it this time.
Yeah,
So if
hopefully
this
it'll
holds
start to
above this
long.
86, yeah,
We've been
above
shorting
86, I'm gonna definitely like it.
we've been shorting for so long. We took previous week low, and now it's
Yeah,
just
there it
like
goes.
side to side. Hopefully you'll
Yep.
just long for FOMC or something, because baby, this is like, which no man would know, but this is just like waiting and waiting and waiting to like give birth. It's so painful. It's like, just get the fucking baby out of me already. Like,
Yeah.
like, duh, sheesh.
And then we're just sitting there, right? Like on our phone, going, why is this
Oh
taking
yeah.
why
You
can't you
like,
hurry
oh my
up?
God.
In
No,
our
you're
head,
just
we're saying that.
so happy. Just can't wait. And we just hate you. We're just like,
Get the,
don't talk to me. Don't look at me. Don't
we're
breathe.
so
You're
evil.
weak.
We're so evil in our heads because like we're like, I wonder if they could just give her more of that medicine that opens her up, and then it could come out faster.
It's
But then we're like,
terrible.
but that's yeah, we're so bad.
Terrible. I remember
We're
I remember with my
so
first
bad.
child telling my kid's father, talk to me, talk to me. He started talking. I was like, shut the fuck up. Just talk no more. Just shut up, get out of my face. Just leave the whole hospital. I hate you.
Oh man! All right, we held above 86. Now we want to see right the basic concept of support and resistance. Now you want to see that 80 hold. If it does come back, if it rejects this 98, I'd like to see if it retests that maybe 86-90 area and continue its push up. But for now, be cautious. This is looking very pumpy. You guys seeing? I know Quantum Gang kind of see this. It's not a trifecta because the 1 minute was all the way back here. So it's not a clean trifecta, but it's almost a trifecta. SPX is pushing. We need to break this 98 next.
I wonder if he'll just go to a fib level and then finally drop to finish level to level. But
Yeah, let's see what Llama's fibs look like right now. I haven't looked at them. What's the let's see what fib 2 looks like. I always like to use that as extra confluence. Oh yeah, look, his zeros here is 236 up at 643.
yep,
Right above sauce box.
76
Ooh,
is still
76
below
is
if it wants to continue to short, but
And oh, look at that! Look where it actually. Look at this, guys. Look where it was bouncing. The 236, the 565. Look at that, attached to a quantum blue. Love that. That's extra confluence right there.
You see, you guys,
Yeah.
you see how one sauce and another sauce
Yeah,
all comes
look at
together.
that. Llama's confluence with mine is one of my favorite all time. I mean, you can see where we're pausing right below the 0, right at 598.25. We can manage to push above that. Then we'll get a little push to test that 0. Maybe we'll get a push back into sauce box, but we need that 5 minute to really start holding over that 600 as well.
What buy indicator is what? I can't actually see the chart.
Oh,
so.
she's looking at mine. Where you see these signals, that's quantum, guys. That's quantum shift. That's my strategy built into the indicator. I do study sessions every Sunday night on both now quantum and gravity. So if you guys are interested, right, just learning the strategy, I teach it every single Sunday. There's that push to the 236. I did take that long on the push above 86. My entry was at 90 and a quarter, so I just got one runner running now. So I don't think I even said anything about it, but I did say if it held 86, and I did enter just to test it on that 5 minute. Here we go.
And who do you do pre-market with?
I do pre-market with the Maestro Elites. With anybody that signs up with the course. This morning there was a beautiful, literally, I drew out the box because there was Llama's fib, golden MVG, and sauce box. It hit it to the T, boom, shot up a bunch of points, hit the other sauce box, and it just kept rejecting the other sauce box. So I caught a beautiful long, and then that was it. And then I took a short off of that sauce box, and then I was like, okay, I'm done.
And that was pre-market?
Golden MVG at 98. That was the pre-market read into New York Open, where I was looking for it to test, and then it tested and it exploded. That was fun. That was fun as hell. Yeah, right now the longs are long, and Ron, the 5 minute closed above. Like even the 5 minute even gave a retest at 88. Didn't fully retest 86, right? I entered at that retest at 90, and I have one runner running right now. So that's the little purple candle break over here at 86 that I was looking at, where we were the 86 was a level and a quantum candle, so double confluences on the break. But now we want to see if we hold above this 98 on the 2. All right, we got Lama's fib right here as well, where we're currently paused. So you want to see this golden MVG and this 98 potentially hold. There's a wild wick right there. My runner just got trailed out.
It was still clean though. You
Let's
called those
see.
2 shorts. You took 2 shorts and you took a long.
And look where it bounced off again. Look where it bounced off again. Look at that, right? That same area. So this is the area where it wants to hold, but we still need to break back above. But that was a nice clean rejection off the 0 for Lama's fib. SPX is also formed a level at 76.99.
Thomas on YouTube is asking, he said, question, out of all the indicators your company offers, what is the best you could say? I'm debating buying one or going for a Bookmap. However, Bookmap looks like it's too cluttered for me. You have to have an understanding for a Bookmap, but depending on how you trade is an indicator. So you would,
Yes. Yeah. So just like Priscilla was saying, it's that's why we do these shows, right? You guys kind of get a feel of how we trade. And the indicators are based on our strats. Like PHP is Logan's strategy, Quantum Shift, and Saucebox, which is now called Gravity. Those are mine. P2P, that's Lama. Max has MVG, Advanced Orb, and Range Breaker, right? Those are all his style. So you kind of see what style fits you, right? I'm the only one that does weekly study sessions on Quantum because it is a whole strategy. Quantum is a very kind of unique strategy that is best learned if you come in with a clean slate and then you add confluences on top of it. Because at first you will, I'm not going to lie and say, oh, you're not going to be confused, because yes, you will, right? Because it's not just the signals. Right? My thing is all support and resistance. My favorite entry, and everyone should know this right now, is break and retest, BNRs. Break and retest. Break where I wait for the break, I wait for the retest. I wait for the break, I wait for the, it's like on repeat. The quantum signals are the only thing that's different if I have confluences. Right, that 236 being right here, that 2 minute looks way nicer now that I saw that 236 right there for that push. Like I would have definitely potentially taken that, but again, what was holding it back for me was that 86. The 86 was what I was waiting for it to break. Finally broke the 86, and you saw that push up. That's why I do the study sessions for it. But this is like literally how I got the majority of my payouts that I got between. Let's say Saucebox, I didn't really start implementing until late, I want to say early to late May of 2025. So all my payouts I got between October 9th, 2024 and let's say May 2025 was just Quantum. It was all Quantum. And I lived off of that.
Fire.
So it's all based on your, like, what fits your style. What do you think makes the most sense to you? And that's how, we can't say that one's better than the other because they're all unique. I see people killing it on Quantum. I see people killing it on PHP. I see people killing it with P2P. I see people killing it with Range Breaker and Advanced over everything, right? But you can combine a couple and have confluences. Like, again, I use P2P all the freaking time. So one of my favorite confluences are the fibs.
So earlier I asked you, like, how long have you been doing the show? Obviously, I think I've been doing happy hour, I would say like a month now. I don't even know when I started. But one thing that has been like funny lately is the fact that I love the Discord. Like, I love the community. I've been like a fan favorite. I traded with everyone. Like, I've been up a couple times on stage. I got to meet everyone in person. I went to Motloo. We were hanging out at the Blitz. Like, I love the community I'm a part of. The only unfortunate, like, weird stuff that be going on is that, like, people who are not in the Discord. So I get like weirdness, like on YouTube, right? And sometimes I address it and sometimes I don't. So let me address the fact that I am usually on happy hour. I'm here hanging out with Javi. I do not have to trade power hour if I don't freaking want to. Let me try not to curse. I can sit here, I can sit on my hands. If I don't see that I want to trade this PA, I do not have to. I'm not here to perform for you, and I'm not here to prove anything to you. The hate is so real, but you're not popping if you don't have haters.
It is crazy, right? And it's crazy because look, none of us have to take trades if we don't see a setup, period, right? I'm the only one that I see a setup, right? As long as my stop is there, I will test it, but my shit's control, right? I'm not going to
Right,
YOLO 20, 30 micros on any of my trades. That's not my style,
right,
right? But
right.
because you guys, Logan hasn't traded 5 power hours in a row, hasn't taken a trade, right? It
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter
Yeah,
because he doesn't find a setup, he doesn't have good ATR. That's him showing his control. The majority of
yeah.
you guys have zero control. You want someone to tell you what to do, and then the minute that we're off, right, you're on by yourself and you're clicking the damn buttons, blow your account because you honestly don't know what we're seeing. You're just waiting
Yeah,
for someone to
no.
tell you what to do, and that's why
You know
you're
what?
gonna stay
I
unprofitable and
trade.
keep
I
losing
love
money.
trading. Like I love trading. I'm a tattoo artist. You know what I mean? I love the skill for tattooing. Like I do whatever the freak I want, and mostly for my family. I have a family that I care for. I get my payouts, my trading style. I am a P2P student. I've did one-on-ones with Javi. I've had one-on-ones with Lama. I am in Logan's course as well. Like
Mhm.
we're locked in. I love it. I have the tools. It's up to me to have my trading style for my psychology, my time. And if I don't necessarily trade how people want me to or when people want me to, then so be it. But I just never experienced so much hate before. Like some people you just kind of have to pray for. And I know misery
It's
loves company,
crazy.
but I'm too happy to be miserable. I'm gonna live a long life. Me and Javi
Yes,
are both fluent in Japanese. Okay?
Japanese.
Japanese. If you guys want to be here, we're gonna be yapping and yapping and yapping because that's why we're here, right? We're talking about trades, we're talking about style of trading. You have courses, you have a community, you have people, like this is lit. There's people who started trading that
Yes.
didn't even have this. This is something people wish they had before.
Oh
When I
man, the
first started
86
trading,
just held, guys. I took a little nibble at it, right? This is the basic concept of support and resistance, right? The 86 that previously was resistance just turned support. Guess what I did?
right?
I hit the buy button right there. Two contracts, just two contracts, nothing fancy, right? Just to test it. My stop loss was below 80, right? That's my general concept. Support
How many
resistance.
trades do you
86,
take per account? Like if you
anywhere
just took this
from
trade,
4 to 6 trades I average per account before I move on. I also do my 3 strikes amount. So if I strike out, sometimes I'm already on a winning streak and then I strike out and then I'm like still in the green. So usually it's 4 to 6 per account. There are days where I only trade 2 to 3 per account. So it just depends on the movement and what I'm feeling. Let me see how many I traded today.
what's
I
the
think I
most
traded
trades
quite
you
a
took
few.
in a day? Do you know?
Oh man, there
Oh,
was a day where I literally was trading all day, and I would shift from account to account, and I think it was the only day where I almost traded every single prop firm that I had. And there was a
what?
night where, and this was we were still in Maryland, and I was trading past almost 10:30 because I couldn't strike out. Like I was on this insane run, and I'm like, I told my wife like I'm gonna stop when I strike out. I haven't struck out. I got 1 strike right now, and that was like at 9, and then we hit 10:30, and I was getting tired, and I want to say I definitely took well over 150 trades that day.
Woo! But all
Yeah.
green like that though? That's amazing.
There were mixed bags. There were mixed bags. I want to say every single one was a banger, but
Mhm.
I did strike out on a couple, but still ended green. And that last one, that last account was like just I could not strike out. I think I ended up hitting like 700 something on that account before I was like, I'm tired. I'm tired. I need to go to
You're
sleep.
straight
It was like
exhausted.
10:45. Yeah. You know what? I think it
150.
was the day that my wife was recording me. Okay, if you guys remember the Instagram video where my wife was recording me, I was doing the dishes and I was trading, and then I went into the shower and I was trading. Do you guys remember that Instagram video? That was the day where I just traded all freaking day, and she was
She
recording
was
me.
following you.
Yeah, she was just like, "Are you still trading?" I'm like, "Yeah." And she went to the bathroom and she's like, "Where's your phone?" I'm like, "It's here." "Where?" "Here." And she opens up the thing and she sees me trading, goes to grab her phone, comes in, and then I'm like in bubbles, and she goes to the phone and I'm still trading. Like that was the day where I was
Listen,
just like nonstop all day. I was just having my fun. It was crazy.
But
It
who's
was crazy. That's the
who
most.
can who can just trade from their phone all day? Who trades from their phone? Who is
Yeah,
another
who here?
ninja? Because Javi is a ninja. Mary Jane, you do? You've done it, you do, you do.
Yeah,
Dang, every time I tried to trade from my phone, I got cooked. I'm not fast enough.
it is like I get told it's like it is difficult to do it long term, as especially the way I do it.
It's an art.
But man, once you
It's
figure it
ballet.
out,
It's
once you
ballet.
figure it out,
Okay?
it's like impossible not to want to open up your phone and play the trading game.
It's
Like I
ballet,
literally call it the
guys.
trading game.
Nobody is walking around on their toes, tippy toes. Okay? Nobody's walking around on their tippy toes. This man performs ballet. It is an art.
Okay. All right. Let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I already do this one? No, I didn't.
What are our zodiac signs? I really don't like care for stuff like that, but if I'm going to tell you, I'm a Capricorn. I'm not sure. What are you, Hobby?
Pisces. I'm a
So that's
fishy,
March.
apparently.
That March,
Yeah. February.
February, the end of February.
February. Yeah, 25th.
Okay, that's why we're cool. My
25th.
sister's my best friend, and she's March 2nd, so she's like that too. Priscilla, I actually wish
Apparently.
I never found out you could trade from the phone. What did you do?
Yeah, it's addictive. You get addicted. You get addicted. I know it. I got so addicted early on. And the fact that that thing is in your pocket 24/7, like we're literally cyborgs. Oh, we came all the way back down to 86, but no, this
People
stupid.
probably see Javi trading on his phone in public, and they're just like, "That man
Dude, I
is
had somebody comment on my
professional."
Facebook. I had somebody comment on my Facebook, you shouldn't trade in public. It's gonna make other people uncomfortable. And I'm like, how? Like, how? Like, I'm just gonna be sitting there on my phone. It's like, what is the difference between doing that and playing a game on your phone? Like, is the playing a video game on your phone gonna make you uncomfortable? Because that's actually for me, that's how it feels. I'm playing a freaking video game.
But you're
So
trading the Dom, right?
yeah. Yeah, I trade using the DOM.
That's anxiety for me. I just see it,
Oh, I love it.
and there's
Like,
Javi. My Dom's going crazy. My Dom's going crazy, and I'm like, we're all going crazy looking
yeah.
at it.
Dom going crazy. But see, that's the thing for me. I'm not staring at it all the time. I'm just waiting for it to get to an area. Once it gets there, I look at my Dom. Is my Dom going crazy? If it is, press the button. If it's not, wait. It's literally that simple for me. Like I'm not like staring at it like going, holy shit, this thing's getting me dizzy. Yeah, the Dom's going crazy. All these gems. Oh my god, dude, that
Terrible. I know. I'm so sorry, Javi. Terrible. When I pretend to be you, I'm gonna let you know. I'm sorry ahead of time. Okay.
Oh my god, I don't blame you. That was like the guys. I literally wanted to hide. I wanted to disappear forever after that shit happened.
I
I
wasn't
was like,
there
oh
that
my.
day. I did not witness it. I just want you to know I'm not a witness.
Oh.
I wasn't there. Someone is asking what platform do you trade from your phone when you're trading on your
On
phone?
Tradeovate and Wealth Charts, and I use TradingView as chart. So if I'm trading on my phone, there's two setups I have, right? Wealth Charts, just Wealth Charts. That's it. I just have my 3 Wealth Charts. I don't use the DOM on Wealth Charts because you can actually see the candles go crazy. On Tradeovate and TradingView, when I'm using TradingView, I keep that on the top half of my screen, and I use Tradeovate on the bottom where I have the DOM. So you'll see my 3 charts on the top and the DOM at the bottom. And that's how I do it. And there's a zoom in. I recommend definitely getting a foldable phone, whether you're waiting for Apple's to come out or any of the new Samsungs. And anybody that has issues, because I do see people that have had issues split screening, you got to go into the settings, go into developer settings, and then you have to have allow all apps to multi-screen or whatever. That allows you to split screen everything.
You
We
know,
bounced off
you're
of
gonna
that
have to
86 area
partner
again.
with this phone company that you're doing
I've been
this with.
trying.
Like,
I've been
they need
trying.
to know, like,
I'm
you're that person to like really get like a deal with them to get other traders
yeah.
to use their phone that way.
Anybody catch that bounce off of 80, 86, 85 area again? Look at that. You got 1, 2, 3. It's just simple support resistance. Flipped. You got 2 opportunities to scalp this thing. This is how I find these areas. Yeah. My wife, Jay Hooley's on a different planet. I slept like a baby that day. Javi showed. I didn't read what she replied to. Yeah, Jay Hooley's on a different planet.
Yeah,
He's definitely
he's hilarious.
Yeah, he's
Jay
definitely
Hoolie, are you going to the Blitz?
what's that character from the Adam Sandler movie where they're playing
It's too
football in the
fun.
jail, right? And then you got the
Longest Yard,
like
I think.
yeah, I think was it
No?
Longest Yard or was it the other one? No, I don't think it was Longest Yard. Was it? Yeah, I think it was Longest Yard. And then you had the what's that guy, that comedian, the funny guy with the voice, Morgan Freeman, Morgan something, right? Morgan something, not Morgan Freeman, not that guy. But he played the LGBT friendly guy. Like that's what I think Jay Hooley was in the jail when he was in there. He was 100% Tracy
Oh,
Morgan.
Tracy Morgan.
Yeah.
I was like, wait a minute, I don't remember him in that movie.
When he was in jail, he was 100% Tracy Morgan.
Not
100%.
That
Like,
makes so
he's like,
old.
whoa! He was like, whoa, Jay Hooley.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. I was like, Morgan Freeman was in that movie? That nigga old. That's so
You'd be
funny.
surprised. Dude, fucking love that movie, man.
Did
Dude,
everybody start
it cracks
getting
me up every time.
I know there was another set of Blitz invites today too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
did
make
you
sure you
guys
guys
check
lock
your
in, man.
emails?
This event's gonna be freaking insane. Like the venue alone is crazy.
I
We're
saw
right
it.
next to the freaking Cowboy Stadium.
So
Like
we
it's
have very,
crazy.
very little spots left. Listen, you guys better confirm.
Oh shit, yeah, we'll see
Okay.
soon.
Confirm. Put that booking in. After I saw Logan's story too, I was just like, oh snap, this is gonna be bigger than the last place. It's
All
gonna be
right. I'm looking for
huge.
it to hold above 600 right now. We are fighting against this little llama fib here, but we are also against Saucebox. So this is going to be tricky, guys. We're up against a really funky MOC here. We've been downtrending all day. Be careful. We want to see if this 599.50 level holds. 599.50, 631 would be the next level. It's a dangerous area to take any longs, right? If we close below 599 like we're doing right now, then the shorts are going to still be on for me. So it is in a funky spot. So be careful. This MOC, take it lightly. If you guys are green, take it super lightly, right? MOCs the last few days have been very funky, very tricky. So now we're below 599. Now the shorts are on for me. So below 599, we're gonna potentially be. Still got 2 minutes, right? This could still flip around, bounce around. So we're below that zero. We're below 599.50. We're gonna create potentially a 2-minute level here as well if it continues to push down.
Javi, are you teaching your son to trade?
Yeah, he's interested right when he has time, but they are definitely loading him up with homework and stuff right now. But he has quantum. He's always asking me questions.
Good.
He paper trades a little bit. He's green on his paper trading, which is nice, right? He
Very
trades
good.
gold. Yeah, my wife, he trades gold.
Does he like
So
scalp like you? Is he trading like you?
I think he holds a little bit longer than me, actually.
Really?
I think he
Okay,
lets
so
the plays develop. Yeah.
I've been teaching my daughter too. We have fun with it though, we have fun. She's learning, but yeah, school started, so it'll take some time, but we definitely have fun. She gets
Yeah.
nervous. Emotions are real, like even for the
Yeah,
kids,
the
like
emotions are real.
she gets nervous, she starts praying. She's just like, "Oh my
It,
God,
it,
oh my God." And we're paper trading.
it's paper Owen. It's paper Owen. He's strictly paper trading, not real trading. No.
Yeah,
I
I
know
know.
the
That's why it's
legalities of
paper
it. Yeah,
trading. It's
just
paper
paper
trading.
trading.
I have seen those kids on Instagram. They're like 12 and 13 and they're trading. I don't understand,
I
but they be
I
killing
kind of
it.
call a little bit of BS on that, honestly, because legally they're not allowed to. So I think they're doing it definitely just for attention. right? Somebody else
Okay.
is providing that money for them. Who was that one? There was a few um, social media kids that came out that way, right? Where they're flexing money and it's not really their money. It's either like their parents' money or
That's
somebody
all
else's
kids right
money,
now.
and they were paid to pretend. MLC is in 30 seconds right now. It stays below 599. It's staying short. Breaks above 599, right? The push up could uh it could potentially be weak though, because again, we're right below sauce box. So here we go. 13 seconds. We're pushing right into 599. Closes above it. I'm tempted to go long above it. Ooh, it's closing below. No. See, it's barely moving. It's testing. It's weak push up. So I'm staying out of this one, guys. If it holds above 99, it could push up, but that closed below. It did not close above. It closed below. So if this stays below that 99, it should push down some. But that was a weak MLC right there. So close below, the short is on.
And if you blew your shit, use code BDM.
No, wait, no. Unless you went full con, you should not blow your account on 8 points of pull up.
You'd
That
be
only pulled up
surprised.
what? I only pulled up like a few. Yeah, and there goes. All right.
I guess I'm a magician. See, somebody did something. One con, yeah, for real.
I did play it lightly. If you're green, play it lightly because the last couple MLCs have been duds. They barely moved. So again, right? They just barely moving. This is just gonna bounce around here and test 99 a couple times. If it bleeds through it and closes above, then you have that level above at 631 in play. But for now, it's staying below it. All right. And I accidentally added contracts into that by did not mean to add any. I'm gonna have to get out of it. I did not mean to add. I hate when I do that shit. Coach used to do that a lot. Coach would accidentally add in contracts when he's trying to get out. I started just doing that on wealth charts by clicking it wrong. All right, there we go. Okay.
There was something too that coach had figured out. I
Um,
forgot what it was.
I got
It
three
just gave him back
micros.
his like, original profits. Like,
Yeah,
I don't know what happened. I forgot. I think Sam G would remember. I can't remember.
my entry got messed up though. There we go. All right, I trailed. I got trailed. Not trailed. I got taken 2 right there, and now I just got 1. Got that
Aniki, do
10
you
points
want me
push.
to dress like an anime? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, Nikki. All right, there we go. All right, I just got
Oh,
1 runner. If it's gonna
got
stay below,
you.
keep going.
I got
Okay.
you, man. I gotta order me some wigs, you
No,
know?
oh man,
Some pink
Aniki, you have the
wigs.
same crush I
Purple
do,
wigs.
dude. That's my anime crush. My wife always asks me who's my anime crush, and it's Yoruichi. So I will. You tell me when that show is on. I will make sure not to tune in.
Okay, all right.
I don't want to get in
Aniki would
trouble.
not be able to
I
handle
want. I
all
want to
that. What are you
live.
talking about?
Oh, this thing
I
is.
need to I'm bringing me an anime costume for the Blitz just to take pictures with Aniki.
And he's gonna have his whole crack out for that. He's gonna
Sam
like
G, I was talking about the
rival
day
mine.
that coach had put in a trade
Oh,
and
there goes the
he was
drop.
holding it
Oh, who's in this? Is anybody actually in this? I got 1 runner.
and
15 points
he
right
didn't
now. 16 points.
understand why he
There was
didn't
the
get his
short,
full
guys.
profit.
Oh, 20 points. Let's go. Right. There we go. MLC played out again. Stayed below 99. Took the
Oh, okay,
short.
because he
There's 20
DCA.
points right there. Right to those levels, 574, 570. I'm going to trail it a little close here just because this would be where there would be potential bounce back to test up. But if I get trailed out at 81, I get trailed out. There you go. Got trailed out. I'll take it. I'll take that. I'm happy with that. I don't like to hold it past 4 o'clock too long or 3:50.
Aniki,
There it
you
was.
send me your
Forever.
favorite anime, your favorite female anime, Aniki. Send it to me. We're gonna be like the Wish Foundation. We're gonna make all dreams come true.
Let's go
And we're
learning to
gonna dress
trade.
up
Yo,
when
if
DCAing. Yep.
the Psycho Killer put me on your back, Priscilla will become a pancake, guys. She'll become a pancake. 1000%. No questions.
Y'all must think I'm strong.
Let's go learning. She brought a free eval back from $200 drawdown, scalping the sauce boxes, refused to give up. Let's go. Look at that learning. I
She's
do
in the
that learning
living.
to trades. I do that from occasion. Like look at this short going. The short's still dropping, guys. If you guys are still in it, awesome. I got out of it
Is
just
it
because I'm happy
nice?
with what I made already. But there
There's
goes,
still a
guys. Look at
fib
that 30
level
point.
down there.
Yeah, it's 30 plus points already. If anybody took that short below 99, it closed below. That was the short for MOC read.
Isn't there supposed to be like
Level
another
right here.
movement in a couple like seconds?
Or there's a 355 move, and there was even a quantum break, a quantum blue candle break right here at 88 that you could have played as well. Stop loss would have been above 95. There is a 355 candle that gives you some reaction, and I also do have a 4 o'clock setup when there's room for it. This one might be a little bit tight. Look at that. Look at Lama's fibs actually playing out pretty well too.
Yeah.
Look at that,
Yeah.
right? Fibs, levels. Look at the levels here. The 2-minute level at 570. Freaking love it, Lama. G Willikers.
Gee willikers.
G Willikers.
You know, there's so many other places that you can go here in Florida besides the theme parks that you guys would like.
Yeah, we've racked up a list. I want to make the drive down to the Keys, but not during hurricane season.
No.
Yeah, but the Keys, we went to Key Largo one time, and there was this like little kind of villagey thing that had houses you could rent right by the water, and you could like get canoes, and it was like freaking awesome. They also had these killer scones, but that place is like hard to book. You have to like book way ahead.
Is that called like sandals or something like that around here?
I don't know. I have no idea. With everything going
There's
on
a lot
tonight,
of
is
stuff.
there a
Destin, I
podcast?
heard it was
Is there a
beautiful. It's pretty
podcast
far.
tonight?
There should be a
It
podcast
is far.
tonight. Hopefully, the Discord acts correctly, but I was sure there's a podcast tonight.
Can't be yuck. Can you dress up like my mom and apologize for the neglect? Hey, yuck, you know what? If your mom didn't neglect you, you wouldn't be the guy you are today.
Period.
Like, you kind of have to be thankful for that.
We grow through what we go through.
Exactly.
I told him, of course I'll dress up like his mama, because I knew his mama was black. I'm gonna dress just like her.
Yeah, yeah, for real. Like sometimes I think about that all the time. Like if my life was easier, if I didn't get hit, if I didn't get into those car accidents, everything happened for a reason. Everything, every single thing, whether it was hell, right? All that hell that I went through when we were on the brink of homelessness, it all happened for a reason. Like it all happened for a reason. Whatever
It makes you
was.
super grateful too. Sometimes we have to go through things for us to be grateful, for the times that are good. So
Yeah.
it sucks when you're going through it. It sucks really, really bad. But then, listen, air conditioning keeps breaking. I'm sorry.
Oh, knock that
That's
sucks.
terrible.
All
I'm
right,
literally
bro.
sending my
Easy, man.
sons going to school for HVAC because I thought that would be a good job, Florida.
Yeah, look at Legacy. I got rear-ended a couple weeks ago. Last few weeks have been fire. Not financial advice.
No.
Go get into a car accident.
Nobody.
Can you
No,
imagine that?
nobody.
Don't do that, guys. Don't fucking do that.
No, don't go look for trouble. Don't look for it.
Everyone's gonna be like trying to get into an accident, trying to get profitable.
Oh my
Don't do
gosh,
stupid shit like that.
No, that's the people going out there praying they get hit by a damn Amazon truck
Oh
so
my
they can
God.
get paid.
Yeah. Oh man, that's freaking hilarious. Yeah, that's new strat.
That is crazy. Why you guys keep putting these men on my back?
They're putting Llama there. I love that they make Llama and Max like 10 times fatter than me. I love it. My goal is to become less fatter than them.
The picture of Llama in the aquarium is insane.
It is. It is. I love that picture. God,
It is
like
insane.
anytime I see Llama's pictures, like they're just comedic gold. Like him laying on the
Hmm.
bed with the feet up, crack out, like everything. What's up, Dan Dan? A
We
twin.
were talking about you earlier, Dan Dan. I told Javi he need to check out your impression of him
Yeah, I haven't watched it yet. I want to watch it, Dan Dan. Look at
because
that push
that
up. That
was great.
push up from that level at 556 got really close. Llamas 236 at 570. All those areas held. Right back up to 599 just to reject again. Look at that. The rejection off of 599 again. Look at that. Holy shit. Whoa. There's another opportunity. Could have gotten like 30 points right there in the blink of an eye. Holy
About to be
crap.
four.
Like, look at those
About
two.
to be
Wait, is
four.
there earnings or some shit? Look at this. What the fuck was that? It's 4 o'clock.
Yep,
Look,
it's
look at that
four.
candle. We're back between those two levels. Slap them in the middle. Now we got another level at 81. So if this 81 level holds, we should get another contention of 99. The 2 minutes trying to push up, but there's going to be almost no volume coming in.
This PA is culo con caca. You ever heard that
Yeah.
song? That's exactly
No,
what
I
this
don't think
is.
I have.
You never heard that song, Javi?
No.
That's crazy. It is a
Culo
song.
con
I don't
caca,
make it
you
up.
said?
Culo con caca. Look up the song on YouTube.
Oh,
If they
man,
could
I
make a
gotta
song, I
find
could
it.
make a song.
Hold on, I gotta look it up.
It's called culo con caca. Caca de toro.
Oh my god! And the guy straight up looks like Mexican Max. Hold on. Tell me this guy right here. Fucking Mexican Max right there.
Is he on a toilet?
He's on the
Oh,
toilet.
it's called culo con caca. That's
That's straight up
crazy.
Mexican Max right there, bro.
I didn't even look.
Dude,
I
and they
swear
show
I
like
didn't even look it up.
dude,
That's crazy.
they like the beginning of this music video is a dude deucing it up. Dude, that is straight up Mexican Max, bro.
You gonna start calling Max
Oh
culo con
shit,
caca? No, I did not
that's
give you that good
Nejo.
idea.
I fucking love Nejo.
And you never heard that song? That's crazy. You guys, I see a couple of you guys say you blew your accounts. I'm really sorry. You guys really need to risk smaller when the PA is like that. But check out our partner promos. Make sure that you use code BDM. Code
Holy shit, this song.
BDM.
Okay, I gotta watch this later. Oh man, my all-time
I
favorite
just put you
reggaeton
on to
artist,
a
Nejo
song that your wife
Lama.
is probably gonna be like,
She's gonna hate it. Yeah,
sorry, I'm
she's gonna hate it.
sorry, Cloud. I'm sorry.
Max doing his duck lips while eating a cookie.
Listen.
Yo, you know what? Ever since Llama called out Max doing duck lips, he's fucking right. If you go back and you watch most of Max's shit, he does duck lips randomly in almost every single one. Like,
I did notice that. It's
you
like,
ruined it.
but
Like,
it's kind of like Zoolander duck lips. Like, you
yeah,
seen
yeah.
Zoolander? It's kind of like that. He's a white girl at heart. No, he's definitely a baddie at heart. He's definitely like,
Oh yeah. There's
yeah,
Magnum.
yeah, that's exactly
Magnum.
what he'd be looking like. Zoolander. So I don't see how many likes you have on the YouTube because I don't know. I don't be logged in. So can you see the likes you have on YouTube? Do you have the likes that you want on YouTube? Hell nah. Damn.
We never
They be
check.
on there hating but can't be liking. There's so much. There's more hate than like on there. It'd be stressing me out, bro. YouTube, don't you guys want your accounts or indicators or whatever it is that you get at this time? You need to hit the like button. If you're the first time here,
How many accounts do we have to give away?
I thought you guys had to give away 5. Am I wrong? Right? 5 TPTs?
No, hold on. I gotta wait for a mod to say, "Oh, Bluesy is not." Wait, is he? Is
Yeah.
Bluesy a mod? He is.
Yes, he is.
Dude, I always forget that he's a mod. Did we say hi to Bluesy when he became mod, or did I miss that? I missed that whole party. He's the sexy Scottish mod. Ooh, we
I
got a
think I was
sexy
there the
snap.
day Max was like, was it Max? Somebody was like, who the fuck made me love?
What's up, Lizzie? The disrespect. Bro, where's them kilts, man? It's the only time a skirt looks badass on a man is them kilts.
I thought they didn't wear anything under kilts.
Some
They
do,
just
some don't. I've seen in St. George, Utah, they always did this thing in the park where everyone that was, I guess, Scottish would go and do their thing, and you would see these guys lifting weights, doing all this stuff, and some of them would fall, and then they'd either have tidy whities or shorts.
mm,
The tidy
crazy.
whities had to be clean though. Some of them didn't
Braveheart
look
was
that
one of the
clean.
greatest movies, by the way. I'm telling you, as like in my like as a kid, like Braveheart, The Patriot, like all those movies were like my favorite. Like I love Mel Gibson. I love him. Just saying. You can't wear underwear in Florida. Okay, yuck.
I bought these cooling undies that help a little bit, but yeah, I think going commando is definitely better. It drops at least 10 degrees of your body temperature by going commando here. It
And
does
that's
feel a lot
exactly
better.
why Max doesn't wear any draws.
Yeah, I understand it 1000% now.
Mr.
Personally, I
Olivia.
still have to wear the undies. For some reason, without them, I don't feel right.
Yeah,
So
no.
I'll stay warm. I'll stay warm. All right, let's see.
Listen, guys,
We got
TPT
82 likes.
doing
I think we're
that.
gonna
You
give
have
it
that
away to the
TPT.
Discord.
How many likes do you have?
All right, only 82 on the tube. So until we get past 100, then I'll give an account away on the tube. But for now, I'm gonna
Come
give
on,
away.
guys.
Let's give away a couple. We're 87, so we're getting up. All right, so for now, all right, Priscilla, you pick a rando, I pick a rando, and these are going to be the TPTs.
And they're getting the new TPTs?
Is it the new ones?
What? Y'all are lucky. Ooh, you get
Ooh.
3 days. 3 days, guys. And if you don't get one today,
All right.
you better, because this is the last week. You better use code BDM. This is only this week can you get these accounts through TPT.
Make sure you
FYI.
got that MOT tag, Lilu. My person is at Lilu. You are
So
Lilu 95.
I don't have like a way. I usually give coach like a number. I don't know how to.
Oh, because you can't invite? Okay. Either pick someone random and give me their name and I'll look for them, or I'll tag them. Yeah, I could type it in. I could type it in if you give me their name. Or do the number thing, whichever one works.
So
I
just
just
go
I just
into our
I just I
audience
just
and pick
scroll.
a random person.
Yep, because I scroll through the audience with not looking at it and I let the mouse land. I've been able to pick randoms that way. Because for some reason when we pick numbers, we get the same people. It's kind of like rigged for some reason with the numbers.
Okay, so I'll just
All
like
right.
do what coach does, close my eyes and move my mouse and see who it lands on.
Lilu. Does Lilu not want the free account? We're about to move on. And if you come in late, too bad.
Let me see. Can I invite this
This is
person?
for
Let me
account.
see.
So you got to come in now. You got to come in
Okay.
now. 10
So I
seconds.
just click invite to speak, right? On whoever I
Yes.
picked.
Yes.
Let me see if that worked.
Oh, there he is. They are. Mike on, bruh. Camera and mic you can.
Snipers, I clicked you. I hope you have an MOT tag and all those other things.
Yeah. Make sure they have a multi-tag or they cannot win it.
Let me look. Oop,
click
you
on
don't have
their-
the
on their
MOT
tag.
tag.
Too bad, Sniper.
Do
Get that
you?
multi-tag.
Oh, wait, is that I don't know if that's a freaking MOT. No, that's not
You
an
could
MOT
announce.
tag.
Okay. So there will be no pod today, guys and gals. No pod today. So there will be a hiatus on the pod. There have been technical issues and other things happening today. So
How
no
do you
podcast
uninvite?
today. See y'all at happy hour.
How do you
All right, come on.
uninvite?
I have no idea. Well, I mean, if they don't come on, it's fine. If they come on, we could kick them if they don't have it. Lilu, we need
Okay.
that mic on. We need to hear ya. We need to say
All right,
something.
so let me do this again and see how I land on.
We need to hear and see ya. Come on.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi. Oh, okay.
What
You're
the hell's up with you guys and not having the
I'm a girl.
MOT
a
tag?
lady. All
Yes,
right.
I'm a girl. Little
Intro.
dolls.
Where?
Lilu Dallas, Fifth Element.
Lilu Dallas. You have an accent. Where are you from?
Yeah. Belarus.
Belarus.
Luca.
Belarus in
Belarus.
Europe.
Yeah, I hear, yeah, DGQ and Shag. That's exactly the accent that I hear. Element, what's his lady's name from that movie? Element number 5. Yeah, the Fifth Element. There it goes, Fifth Element.
Yes. Yes, that's where it's
Dude.
from.
Oh, that's where the Fifth Element. That's who I heard. I was like, I heard that lady. Awesome. Well, you got a free account. You don't need to turn your camera on, I guess. You'll be fine for now. Multipass, yeah, multipass.
Thank you so much, guys. Love your show, by the way.
Thank you. You enjoy the rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too, guys.
Have a
Peace
good
out.
day.
Open a
Bye,
support ticket.
Priscilla.
Claim that account.
Will
I
do.
invited Luca. If you need to come up, hello, Luca.
That was like that movie. That's one of my favorite Bruce Willis movies, The Fifth Element.
Yes, mine too. It's on Netflix, by the way. You can watch it now. Is Luca?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come up, Luca? I tagged you. If not, I'm gonna choose someone
All right.
else.
Let's choose someone else. Count down 5 seconds. All right, on to the next. Let's see if the tube got up to 100 likes, and then we can give one away.
Okay.
And yes, we got to 118. All right, if we get to 150, we'll give another one away for the tube. So YouTube, the word for you is YouTube working with the word mods? Can you do the word on YouTube?
All right, Erica, come up because I don't know what's going on with the other two people.
Before I say
Erika.
the word. I'm gonna be doing some Harry Potter words.
Erika,
All right, we'll test it.
Erika.
Let's see if it works. All right, the word for YouTube will be it'll be 2 words. Wingardium Leviosa. The mods are gonna be like, no, I can't spell it.
Javi, they want to
Wingardium
know,
Leviosa.
what was your first giveaway? Was that one of the accounts?
That was an account. Yeah, we're giving away the accounts right now. We're just gonna get the account because there's 5 of them. So we're just gonna get
Okay.
the accounts.
Erica, are you coming up? Oh, I'm sorry. You're testing a student. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Why is everyone typing hell nah? What the hell? Everyone's typing hell nah.
All right, let me see.
What
Let me try
happened there?
one more person.
YouTube said hell nah.
Do you
Like,
have an MOT
I said
tag?
Wingardium Leviosa. They're like hell nah.
Okay, I'll invite
That's
this
freaking
person.
hilarious. Oh my god, YouTube's like YouTube is rebelling so hard right now. That's the word for
Nola
YouTube,
boy.
right?
Nola boy, come up, please. Somebody.
Is it
Sheesh.
working? Is the bot working on YouTube? I like that everyone said hell no at the same time.
There you
Oh,
are,
man.
Nola boy.
Bot is we aren't.
What's
How y'all doing?
up?
What's
How
up?
are
What's
you
up? What's up?
doing?
Chilling at work.
Oh, you working? Well, today's your lucky day. You've been picked for an account, sir.
Appreciate it.
Make sure you create a support ticket.
All right, 100.
And we appreciate you tuning in with us at work. Don't get in
Nola
trouble.
boy.
Yeah, all the time, every day.
All right.
That's what's up. Appreciate it. You have a good
There's
day.
our winner for the tube, guys. Call
Yeah,
me Colonel. For some reason, I thought that was going to be something dirty. Call me Colonel. You are the winner of a TBT account. Go open that support ticket on the tube.
So that's
Call
3,
me.
right?
That is 3. We got 3 winners. All right. Let's see if YouTube can get to 150 before we pick the last 2. What are we at right now? We're at 131. All right. Let's pick one more on the cord. And after this, if the YouTube gets to 150 likes, then we'll choose the last account to be on the tube. So you're at 131, YouTube. Get 19 more. All right, let's go. All right, one more, Priscilla, on the Discord.
All right, let me see.
Let's make it a little fight. You pick one, I pick one. Whoever makes it first gets it. All right.
Okay, let me invite this
All right.
person.
Let me see. MOT tag.
Sneaky Pete.
Oh, no MOT tag. Okay, no MOT tag. Well, if Sneaky Pete makes it before I pick someone, he made it. He was fast. All right. You got lucky, Sneaky. The person I chose had no MOT tag.
Hey, how's it going,
What's-
guys?
It's going good. How are you?
Represent Chicago.
Ah, mi gente.
Oh, YouTube made it.
Okay.
Chicago. ¿De dónde eres?
I was born there, not raised there though.
Me too. I was born and raised there, but live in Florida now too. We all Chicagoans moved to Florida. Tired of the
Yeah.
snow, you know. Love the
Yeah,
people,
no,
love the food. That's all I miss.
Yeah, yeah. No cold for me. I'm definitely a Floridian.
Yep.
Well, you
I
want
appreciate
a
you guys'
TPT
account. Really cute.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You guys are the
Hell
best.
yeah.
Thank you. Create a support ticket, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a good
Have a
one.
good day.
Let's go. Let's go, Nola. All right. YouTube made it to 150, Priscilla. They
Ah,
freaking kicked it in
course
and
they
made it to
did.
150
Of
for that
course they
last free
did.
TPT account. All right. All right, guys. The last word is going to be Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. There you go. All right. Avada Kedavra. Go ahead.
Listen,
Kick it. That should be an easy one to
Javi,
spell.
me and you and Harry Potter, all right? I feel you. I understand you. I watch Harry Potter to wash dishes, to just chill. I've watched Harry Potter a million times, and I'm the only person in my
Yep.
house. Nobody watches it with me. I watch it all alone.
Yep.
I'm
My
gonna
wife
go
hates
to
watching it. So when me and my wife, like when I have to watch Harry Potter, you know what I have to watch in place? Right? Like if I make her watch Harry Potter, she makes
what do
me
you have to
watch
watch?
Twilight.
Well, I like both of them, so
I can't. I love making fun of Twilight so much, but
it is a little, But I love Harry Potter. I can't help it.
Yeah.
Like I love Harry Potter.
yeah, Harry
Like
Potter's my
even the
jam.
new one, all those things, it's not gonna be the same.
Why is everyone spelling abracadabra, avadabra? Everyone's spelling something different in the core. in the
Terrible.
thing. It's
Shame
Sam G
on you
doesn't know how to
guys.
spell. Sam G, you're not a Potterhead, I think. He's definitely not a Potterhead.
What character would I want to be?
Oh man.
Hmm. I'm not as smart
my
as
dude.
Hermione.
That is my favorite part. Like I laugh at that scene so hard, Yoda, when in the book is Dumbledore goes to Harry and calmly says, "Did you put your name in the Goblet of Fire?" In the in the movie, he's gonna go. He's like ready to like choke him to death. I fucking love that scene so much.
You
Because it's like I always think
beginning?
in the book, he's like he calmly said,
Yeah, I'm a dit sometimes, so I love Harry Potter. Oh, so no podcast today?
"No podcast today.
No,
No
I guess
podcast
you guys
today."
gonna get a double
Happy
dose of
hour.
me today. A double dose of espresso today. Good thing I took my Adderall. You could be Harry? What would make you Harry Potter?
Harry Potter. All right. Still no winner been picked on the tube yet. Is the bot not working? Is it working? I saw the contest started. You had 90 seconds to type it. I don't know when this thing happened. You have 90 seconds. I don't know if the 90 seconds is up yet. I don't see a selected winner just yet. Stupid words. No, Rafa Lataria. These are the best words so that we limit who wins.
Hey,
These are
Mary
the
Jane,
best
I
words.
see you at the Blitz. Girl, Taco Tuesday. Go ahead.
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Ooh, I
It did
want some
not
birria
start.
tacos. I think I'm gonna go get some birria tacos before happy hour. Doesn't that sound good? I'm hungry.
That's what makes it better, Rafaela. It's like not everyone knows how to spell it. It's on. It's a race. It's a race to see who can spell it correctly. The way that he spelled it kind of funky, but whatever. It's one word.
Javi,
The way
you
that
don't
he
have an
spelled it.
iPhone though, right?
There we go. The winner. No, I don't. My wife does. The winner is Ed Wizzle 13 or Ed Wizzle. I don't know why I said Ed. Ed Wizzle 13 on the two.
Because you can say, you
That
can
one guy
say
was complaining about not being
spells.
able to spell it.
You can say spells to your iPhone and it'll turn on the light for
Yeah.
you and it'll do all
I know you
these
can say
things.
Lumos. You can say Lumos, and I forgot the other stuff.
They're
Yeah.
coming out with a new iPhone that's gonna be
You
like
can do that on
flip phone.
the Google phones too, though.
Really? I know your camera's
Oh
probably
man,
better than ours.
yeah.
Oh, check their junk folder. If you guys added us as a safe sender to your email, then it shouldn't be in your junk folder. But if you didn't do, if you didn't follow instructions, then yeah, check your spam, check your junk folder for your invite.
Dude, like if the mods don't want that, I love right now that these words piss some people off. Like the
Lame ass.
spells from Harry Potter, like lame ass words. Javi, if the mods don't watch Harry Potter, I know I left it up to them. However they spelled it, yeah, that's up to them at that point.
I'm
And
not
those that
flexing
spelled it the
Adderall. I'm literally prescribed a prescription. I
Oh
am
man,
diagnosed with ADHD. Calm down, people. Like,
we're about to have a civil war here over Harry Potter spells. People are so pissed off right now. Oh
and
man,
Javi's laughing.
this is hilarious to me. Oh man, like
Javi, wait,
yeah,
I
you
have a
spelled it,
question.
you
I have a
spelled it right.
question. Do
Uh-huh.
you cook?
No, I don't cook. I attempted to cook for my wife when I first met her, and I got us both sick, and I like overdosed her with lime or something.
Where is Cloud? Where's your wife
I
at?
tried.
Cloud,
I
I have a
tried my best. She
question.
knows. She knows.
I'm
Like
gonna,
she's like, oh man.
I have a question, Javi. I'm
Yeah.
gonna make Sam G so mad.
Okay, go ahead. Samji's already saying no. What is it?
I need to know if your wife washes her chicken before she cooks it.
Okay. I think she does. I can't remember honestly, but this was a thing that we
It's a
talked about
Caribbean
before. I
thing.
used to work. I used to work at a place here called in Maryland called Sardi's. It's a chicken place. All they serve is rotisserie chicken. It's a Peruvian chicken place. We threw that chicken in ice water after we cleaned it up. That's what we would do. That was like you put it in ice water and you do the thing and then you move it before you start marinating it.
Salt to
No
ice
salt in
water?
it. Just ice water.
Just
Just
ice
pure
water?
ice water. Yep.
Okay.
No salt.
So, there,
So
so not really
yeah,
washing it, just icing it.
I guess. So I don't know if that's considered washing it, but that was something that was a process you did before you start marinating it.
Because
So
Sam G and Coach be going back and forth. So I was just like, you know what? Let me see.
they say salmonella, but you got to cook that thing to 165 anyway. So you're
That's
gonna
what
kill it all. I don't know what the science is of why they ice water it before they marinate it. I really don't, but I just remember we had to do it and we did it.
Well,
So
it's
I
a
was just like,
Caribbean thing to wash your chicken. So I would been guilty and not like soap wash, just like vinegar, lime, water, But I found out the hard way that it does nothing. Do I want to tell my abuela that? Probably not. I don't want a cocotazo, But, we'll see. But yeah, it's like
it
a
seems
Caribbean thing or
it
whatever.
seems
But
washing it
I
gets your skin gross and potential disease. See, that's the thing. Like with most restaurants, when you think about prep, right? We have to sanitize everything. We
yeah,
sanitize the hell out. If a restaurant does it right, any that I've worked at, I've seen it. Most of it is like I've always been a very sanitary person when it comes to that. So I always make sure we clean up. We sanitize every area, and that's common practice that you always do that. And
absolutely
I will
should.
say, yeah, Sardi's kitchens were pretty damn clean. I will say that those guys did take care of their shit.
I like my house to smell like bleach, for
Yeah.
real. But I've heard not the hard way. So I did rotisserie
No,
chicken
and yeah,
the other
there was
day and
never
I
cross
didn't
contamination.
clean it.
It was like completely separate from everything else. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't
We're
know what.
going. We've had this
It's a weird
argument
thing. It's a
15
weird argument,
times.
Priscilla. Yeah, it's a
because
weird.
you
I
just
remember
see,
this being
you
brought
just
up.
see Sam G. He said, "Don't you ask, don't do it."
It's such a weird thing, but like I again, like I worked at that place and that's what they did, or we had us do the ice water thing. So I don't know the science in it. Right? I don't know if I've actually seen my wife wash the chicken or not. I can't remember. um, but SFG's gonna have an aneurysm apparently with this conversation of
That's why
washing
he told
chicken.
me, don't, don't do it. Don't ask. At
Oh
least I
man,
know
that's
how to stress him
hilarious.
out. I'm not gonna stress him out in person, but at least I know how to stress him out. Now you go ask your wife when we're done here.
Yeah. Now I'm be like, so do you wash your chicken? And we're like, yeah. I don't know. It's a
She'll
weird.
look
That's a
at you
weird
so
thing.
she's gonna look at you like, why the hell would you ask this question?
All right, let's see. This guy posted.
Ah,
You generally shouldn't wash raw chicken before cooking it. Washing can splash, right? And that's if you're like I see people like washing their chicken, just bitch slapping that thing, like giving it nalgazos, and then it gets everywhere. But when you're washing it, you're just like you got the water there. You're rubbing it. You're not like smacking the shit out of it, spraying water everywhere, right?
they are playing patty cake with their chicken. All right,
Yeah.
they
Like,
are
well, you guys
whooping.
like,
They are
are you guys like holding the chicken and doing this? Like, what are y'all doing when you wash it?
they're
Like, what's
they're
going on?
they're raising the chicken and plucking and they're doing everything to it apparently. But
Yeah.
listen, I just asked to ask, calm down. You're pissing Sam G off. Listen, I asked because I wanted to know. I know the answer, guys. I know what's wrong and right. I changed my ways. I'm a changed woman. I just needed to ask Javi. Sheesh. Who else can I ask?
The great washing chicken conversation of 2026. Oh man, that's
Lord.
hilarious.
Now I'm gonna go get me some tacos. I don't even want no chicken. Listen,
Oh man.
listen, listen. Well, that was fun. I had fun.
Heck yeah, that was fun. We just gave away accounts today, guys. We didn't give away indicators. It's 4:30 almost, so we just gave away those 5 accounts. We'll do some extra indicator giveaways tomorrow to make up for it. All right. So don't miss tomorrow. Maybe I'll just do monthlies instead for tomorrow. We'll see how we feel tomorrow. We'll see how we feel. But appreciate y'all. Gonna go and make my potential second dinner or lunch. I'm in full blown. I think I'm in ketosis, not ketosis, but I think I'm in the keto flu. I got this pounding headache. I felt like crap yesterday night. So it's like day 3 for me or something, already kind of doing it. So I'm definitely feeling that right now. Um,
Sorry.
but I know that this is how this is how I lost weight before. I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna get smaller than Max and those bitches. Trust me. Anyways, appreciate y'all. Appreciate Priscilla. Thank you for joining me, for keeping me
Thank
company.
you for having
Um,
me.
absolutely was fun as hell as always. Make sure you guys don't miss her and Coach in about an hour and 15 minutes. You had no breaks today, Priscilla. So go take a quick break, enjoy your
That's all
hour or
right.
so before you come right back on with
It's all
Coach.
right. It's all right.
Um, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you guys go check out maxoptionstrading.com. Got all the courses, coaching from Coach in there. I think we also have Jake. All the courses are available in there. Collect those max bucks, then you can use towards whatever as well. Anything you want to say before we kick it here, Priscilla?
The indicators, the courses, like look into it. Make sure you guys follow us on social media. Show us love. Make sure that you guys lock in, use code BDM, check out our partner promos, TPT for sure. Even today, they gave us those accounts. Shout out to them and make sure that you guys lock in. That deal is only for this week. Make sure you use code BDM. And I guess I'll see you guys in like an hour and a half or so.
Yeah. Not financial advice for JJ's as usual. And enjoy the rest of your day. No podcast. Remember, no podcast tonight. So they're gonna start normal times, 5:40ish. So tune in for that, guys. Enjoy the
And make
rest of
sure
your
you guys
day.
tip the
Tip the
staff.
staff. Yeah.
Tip the staff, guys. The staff does so much for us. They're always there when you guys call on them. They're getting to the support tickets. They're handling the show. They're helping you guys make sure that you guys tip the staff. And Yuck and Flames, Sam G's hitting you guys up. And Javi, we believe in you. I know that you're doing this for your family. You are you are a great dad. You are doing an amazing job. You're very inspiring. So we all believe in you.
And seeing myself on that video, that was also like, damn, like every time I see myself, I'm like, I hate it. I hate it. So seeing myself when we were shooting and like, I'm like, fuck, I gotta kick it in. So again, I'm already in the process. I'm probably gonna be in ketosis next week. I'm gonna test myself Sunday, and I'm just gonna go 100,000%. But let's go. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Peace out. See y'all again tomorrow. Priscilla, thank you. We'll see you in an hour.
All
Kick
right.
it, Aniki.
You guys then.
Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to drip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white wine, the Sauvignon blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, on and doing shit, then I did it again. Quantum shift, on and doing shit. We in and out quick. At my head though, heat of my eyes though. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head though, heat of my eyes though. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.